Navigating digital marketing diversity, optimal applications of 10 distinct strategies. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels and technologies. It encompasses a wide range of strategies and tactics that leverage the internet, electronic devices, and various online platforms to connect with potential customers and engage with existing ones. 10 types of digital marketing. Content marketing. It is a digital marketing strategy focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. It is a digital marketing strategy aimed at improving a website's visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs, organically. The goal is to increase the quantity and quality of organic, non-paid traffic to a website. Search engine marketing, SEM. It's often referred to in the context of pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, is a digital marketing strategy that involves placing advertisements on search engine results pages, SERPs, or other platforms. Social media marketing, SMM. It is a digital marketing strategy that involves using social media platforms to connect, engage, and interact with your target audience. Affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. These are two distinct digital marketing strategies that involve partnering with external individuals or entities to promote products or services. Email marketing. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending targeted emails to a group of recipients with the aim of promoting products, services, or building relationships. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a digital marketing strategy that focuses on reaching and engaging audiences through mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. Video marketing. Video marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves using videos to promote products, services, or brands. It leverages the power of visual and auditory content to engage and communicate with audiences. Audio marketing. Audio marketing, also known as audio branding or sonic branding, is a digital marketing strategy that involves using sound and audio elements to create a consistent and memorable brand experience. Chatbot marketing. Chatbot marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves the use of chatbots to interact with customers, answer their queries, provide information, and guide them through various stages of the customer journey. When and how to use different types of marketing. To use different types of marketing effectively, align your approach with your business objectives and audience preferences. Continuously analyze results, adapting your strategies to optimize outcomes and maximize your marketing impact. Conclusion. By skillfully blending these strategies, adapting to trends, and continually learning, you can chart a course for digital marketing success, fostering meaningful connections and driving sustainable growth in the digital realm.